Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hajj. The Holy Prophet ﷺ went to the altar at Mina, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ slaughtered 63 camels. The Holy Prophet ﷺ used a spear to slaughter them on the right side at a standing position. The Holy Prophet ﷺ slaughtered camels in the number, as he ﷺ is old in age. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ stopped and ordered Ali to slaughter the rest of the camels. Total camels were 100. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ distributed the meat between the needy and orphans, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ did not give meat as the wages of camel slaughtering to the butchers. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "We shall give them, offer them to get meat according to their own will." Darmi 1892. Narrated by Jabbar that the Holy Prophet ﷺ ordered to cook the small piece of meat from every slaughtered camels. When it was cooked, then the Holy Prophet ﷺ ate it with its gravy. Abdullah bin Kirat said that the group of five camels were brought to the Holy Prophet ﷺ for slaughtering, who started slaughtering camels with his spear and said something before slaughtering which the narrator could not understand. After the migration, the Holy Prophet ﷺ shaved his hair off head for 4 times. Anas said that I met the Holy Prophet ﷺ when the barber was cutting his hair. His companions were moving around him to get the hair of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Everybody tries to get the blessed hair, to have the sacred hair. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ has completed slaughtering, calls the barber, his name was Momar ibn Abdullah. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said to him to cut his hair on right side. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ distributed them among the people who were waiting for them to have. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ indicated Momar to cut hair on the left side. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that, "Come here, Abu Talha," and gave the hair to him. The Holy Prophet ﷺ gave his forehead hair to Khalid bin Walid. Nails was given to Abu Talha to distribute among the people. The Holy Prophet ﷺ supplicated, "O Allah, give blessings for those who shaved head hair." Then he ﷺ went to perform Tawaful Ifadah. After Zohar, the Holy Prophet ﷺ went to Makkah. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ performed Tawaful Ifadah. This is Tawaf-e Ziyarat. Then drank Zamzam. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "O Banu Abdul Muttalib, I might fear that people might overcome, otherwise I would give drinking water to the people." There is saying that the Holy Prophet ﷺ himself got water and mixed his blessed spit in it to mix it into Zamzam well. Narrated by Jabbar from Mother of Believers Aisha Siddiqa that the Holy Prophet ﷺ offered Dhuhr at Makkah. Then he ﷺ returned to Mina. Tawaful Wada, farewell tawaf performed at night. The next day, the Holy Prophet ﷺ did Rami Jamar when the sun went down. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ threw pebbles on the 2 pillars, then he ﷺ started to move up and threw stone at Jumra al-Aqaba from the area of Mid-Valley. He ﷺ stayed more at Jumra al-Aqaba than the other. The Holy Prophet ﷺ did not stay at 3rd pillar and returned back. The Holy Prophet ﷺ did this when the sun is gone down. Narrated by Abbas that it was allowed to the shepherds to stay at night out of Mina. Imam Ahmad narrated that at the day of Nahar, the Holy Prophet ﷺ threw stones while riding. During this day at Mina, the Holy Prophet ﷺ did Rami. this while walking after the Holy Prophet ﷺ walked back. Ibn Qayyum wrote that the Hajj of the Holy Prophet ﷺ is included 6 parts. Number 1, Al-Safa. Number 2, Al-Marwa. Number 3, Al-Arfa. Number 4, Muzdalifah. Number 5, stay at Jumrah al-Aqaba. Number 6, next the second pillar. The Holy Prophet ﷺ completed his worshipping of throwing stones in 3 parts, then returned to Masab at Tuesday at time of Dhuhr prayer, where the Holy Prophet ﷺ offered Asr, Maghrib and Isha prayers there, rested a while, then returned to Makkah. At the time of keeping fast, he did Tawaful Wida, farewell Tawaf, and did not do Ar-Ramal. Then he ﷺ departed from the flat area of Makkah for travelling to Medina. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.